Hey guys, Jack here. Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time since the last video, but I hope you've all been doing really well. And we have here the new Samsung Galaxy S24. So Samsung have just released the new lineup, the S24. So you've got the standard model, the Plus and the Ultra. Not too many changes, but a lot of AI features in this generation of phones. And this is just going to be a quick and simple unboxing, showing you what you get in the box, what it looks like once you unpackage it. So you can see we've got the amber yellow, so quite a few interesting colors this year. And this standard is 8 gigs on the S24. On the other models, you can get 12 gigs. And then whilst you pre-order, you get the upgraded storage, but it is starting at 128 on the standard S24, but 256 on the other models. So bear that in mind. So we'll go ahead and peel off the two tabs. We can get onto the top one there, peel that off, flip it back over, and we'll lift it up, and there we go. Same as always, the phone presented nicely on the top there, and we've got pretty much the same design with the triple cameras up in the top, same across all the models. Obviously the Ultra has the 4th lens as well, and then if we take the top here, they flip it around, so you've got the goodies in the top here. I say goodies, you barely get anything anymore, but we'll go ahead and slide this out. So you've got SIM ejection tool here, and then you should also have the USB-C to C cable, which will be about 3 feet long, but that is it in the box. Again, no charger like we used to get. So if you need a 40 watt, 25 or 45 watt charger, I'll leave links down below. You can see here the phone itself. So we'll go ahead and peel off the protective screen there. It's already breaking. And there we go, the nice glossy screen, which will never be as clean again. But you can see that amber yellow design. And this year it's following a bit of the iPhone design. So you've got the completely flat sides, a slight rounded back as well, just for comfort. And then you've got things like the antenna breaks. So you've got them all around the phone, none on this side, except for the one at the top. And then around there, nicely matched. We'll take a look around the phone. We'll go ahead and power it up. So power button on the right still, as always. Give it a second. There we go, Samsung logo. So whilst that's booting up, on the right hand side, you've got the power button, the volume rocker, antenna brake. On the bottom here, you've got the SIM tray, the USB-C port, the speaker and a microphone. And then on the left-hand side, nothing except that antenna brake. On the top, it looks like you've got 2 microphone holes. On the back, obviously, the triple camera setup, which remains the same as last year in terms of resolution. I believe pretty much all the specs there are the same. So you've got the 50 megapixel wide, the 10 megapixel telephoto, and the 12 megapixel ultra wide. It's only on the Ultra that things have changed, where they've removed the 10x zoom optical zoom lens to a 5x, just because they've upped the megapixel count, so you can crop in, get the same 10x zoom, but when you have the 5x, it gives you more options in terms of cropping in. So that's nice to see. You can see the phone is booted up, and then at the top you've got the 12 megapixel camera as well. Now, slight difference to last year where we had Snapdragon across the board. This year in Europe, the rest of the world, basically outside of America, except for the Ultra, you have the Exynos processor, which used to be pretty bad. We'll have to see if it's any better this year in terms of both performance and battery. The batteries are slightly bigger, so 4,000 milliamp hours on the S24. On the Plus, you've got 4,900, and then the same 5,000 on the Ultra. So 100 and 200 milliamp hours bigger on the S24 and the Plus. But you can see that. We'll go ahead and set this up in another video. If you want to see how to do that, I'll leave a link in the top right here, but we'll come back once it's all set up. Okay, so that is the Samsung Galaxy S24 all set up, ready to go. We'll go ahead and just put our finger there, and you can see logs in straight away, no problems with the fingerprint scanner down here at the bottom. Similar as always to past Samsung, so you've got the Android skin from Samsung over the top of Android. You can see some default apps. You've got all the Google apps as standard, the Microsoft ones, some extra Samsung like Samsung Free, their web browser. Head into the app drawer. Again, Samsung folder, some extra things from Samsung like the members, pre-installed apps, but not too bad to be honest. No bloatware, so that's always nice to see. Basically the same as always for Samsung phones. But we'll go ahead and just check the storage, see how much you get out of the box. So we'll scroll down into device care, and you can see here out of the box we've got 237.1 gigs out of the 256. So with the 128 gig model, which is standard on the S24, you're looking at about 104 gigs free. So not too bad. Obviously the Plus and Ultra, you get the higher storage anyway, so that's always nice to see. Shame they didn't include it with the S24, but to be honest, unless you've got a ton of photos and videos, which you may well do, which take up a lot of storage with the 4K. But that was just the quick, simple unboxing of the S24 model. If you guys have any questions about it, do post it in the comments down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible with answers. If you guys enjoyed this video, please do give it a like down below. It always helps out the video and the channel. And if you're new, consider getting subscribed over here on the left for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.